दोस्तों, वसीम अकरम और शोएब अख्तर की जोड़ी ने किस तरह वेस्ट इंडीज मजबूत टीम को दिन में तारे दिखा दिए। ये मैच लाजमी तौर पर आखिर तक देखे। टारगेट 166 का वेस्ट इंडीज की मजबूत टीम मैदान में उतर चुकी है।
And Wasim Akram can't believe it. A lot of movement, not only off the pitch, but certainly through the air as well. He and Waqar swung the ball quite a lot in the first final in Sydney.
वसीम अकरम ने दौड़ना शुरू किया, गेंद की और अच्छी गेंद। यहाँ पर पाकिस्तान की टीम के खिलाड़ियों ने अपील की, देखते हैं क्या हुआ। जहाँ खिलाड़ी को चलता किया, मगर मालूम नहीं कि आखिर खिलाड़ी क्यों रवाना हुआ। अब देखते हैं रिप्लाई में। अच्छी गेंद, ओह जी, हिट विकेट आउट होकर पवेलियन की जानिब रवाना हो गए हैं।
Exactly why? Well, he has left, but as far as the playing conditions are concerned, the rule says that is not out.
It's
शेरविन कैंपेल अब आए हैं ब्रायन लारा,
the new batsman for the
दुनिया
West
के अजीम
Indies.
बल्लेबाजों में शामिल है।
I'm sure he wasn't quite expecting to be at the crease that quickly, but he has a job to do for the West Indies today.
दौड़ना शुरू किया, गेंद की अच्छी गेंद, मगर इसे शानदार तरीके से खेला, लाजवाब आला किस्म का चौका। वसीम अकरम ने दौड़ना शुरू किया, गेंद की अच्छी गेंद, अपील अपील अपील, मगर एम्पायर का इशारा, नॉट आउट।
Akram cannot believe it. 4 off the over, 2 for 12. Brian Lara is on strike. Wasim Akram is the bowler, and in the commentary position now, Bill Laurie, and with him Ian Chappell.
फिर दौड़ना शुरू किया, गेंद की एलबीडब्ल्यू की अपील, मगर एम्पायर फिर अपनी जगह खामोश।
I think you'll find there the bowler asked Peter Parker if he got an inside edge on it.
खतरनाक गेंद थी, बाहर से अंदर की जानिब स्विंग हुई।
Hit him outside the line of off stump, and he's asking there the umpire, did it just flick the bat?
अगली गेंद शानदार तरीके से खेला, लाजवाब आला किस्म का चौका।
This is a great battle, Lara versus Wasim Akram.
Wasim Akram tested him out with the short one on
8.3 ओवर में स्कोर 26, दो खिलाड़ी आउट हो
trying
चुके
to get it
हैं।
up around about chest height, as Courtney Walsh did a lot of times in the Pakistan innings. Lara not so sure that it was an intentional shot. I think it was just a top edge.
Wasim Akram to continue.
दौड़ना शुरू किया, गेंद की चंद्र पॉल ने इसे खेला, मगर यहाँ पर विकेट कीपर ने शानदार गेंद पकड़ा और वसीम अकरम का एक और शिकार।
Well, that's what he's been trying for, trying to hit the edge. The Pakistan flag is flying, and they really have given their supporters some thrilling moments this summer. Thick edge there from Chandapal, and a very acrobatic catch that could well have gone between first and second slip, but Mohan got there first. He's doing a terrific job for Pakistan, as is the skipper, and the West Indies are 3 for 31.
Carl Hooper with a magnificent strike rate of 74.
अब आए हैं कार्ल हूपर।
Not all that fit, got shin soreness, bowled a good 10 overs this afternoon, comes out with 3 for 31, and he's facing Wasim Akram.
वसीम अकरम ने दौड़ना शुरू किया, पैर को क्रॉस किया, गेंद की अच्छी गेंद, बीट हो गए।
Also quite amazing when you think how much
वसीम अकरम को
cricket this
इसलिए
man has
स्विंग का
played in
सुल्तान
recent
कहा
years.
जाता
He's
है।
been playing for Lancashire now for some years in the county competition, so it's just cricket, cricket, cricket all the time with Wasim. He hardly ever gets a rest, but he never ever seems to lose his enthusiasm.
5.3 ओवर में 16 रन देकर 2 विकेट हासिल कर चुके हैं। अगली गेंद और यहाँ पर एक और विकेट वसीम अकरम के नाम, शानदार गेंद और इसे समझने से कासिर रहे और कैच दे बैठे।
The two captains have been in this match. It was Courtney Walsh who got the West Indies started with a couple of early wickets, and now it's Wasim Akram doing even better for Pakistan. A very well directed short delivery, perhaps off the splice of the bat, maybe even a little bit of glove. And Wasim Akram doing a fantastic job for Pakistan. They have fought every inch of the way in this United Series, and they're fighting at their absolute best in this second final. West Indies are in deep trouble with Hooper heading back for a duck. It's 4 for 31.
Jimmy Adams taking guard, a strike rate of 63. He's had a good day. Took a
अब आए हैं
Jimmy Adams bat for survival for the West Indies.
वसीम अकरम ने दौड़ना शुरू किया, गेंद की बहुत ही खतरनाक गेंद, बीट हो गए और बाल बच गए। वेस्ट इंडीज के 31 रन पर 4 खिलाड़ी आउट हो चुके हैं।
Wasim Akram is going off the field. He had a bit of a groin strain in Sydney the other evening. He's not moving too freely, I don't think.
Well, from Pakistan's point of view, this is really good news. Wasim Akram's coming back on, although he looks as if he's really struggling a bit. And we hear that his right hamstring.
66 with 60 balls to be bowled, and Wasim Younis coming back into the attack to bowl his 7th over.
वकार यूनिस ने दौड़ना शुरू किया, एम्पायर को क्रॉस किया, बॉल कर दिया वकार यूनिस ने, लाजवाब गेंद, इसीलिए वकार यूनिस को यॉर्कर का किंग कहा जाता है।
And a very good effort by Pakistan defending 165 runs. They've won convincingly.
और बिलाखिर यहाँ पर वकार यूनिस और वसीम अकरम ने वेस्ट इंडीज टीम को चलता किया और शानदार कामयाबी हासिल
They
की।
certainly have played very consistent cricket, the Pakistan team. They lost the first game that they played against the West Indies way back in Adelaide, but since then they have been playing very, very good cricket. Wasim Akram, the man being congratulated there by all his teammates. He certainly led them well, led them from in front, bowled well, even with injuries. Done a very, very good job.
62 runs the margin there for Pakistan, and a thoroughly worthy victory for Wasim Akram's side. Just the one good partnership there between Roland Holder and Curtly Ambrose, and Ambrose played with great courage. He's done something rather nasty to a muscle, or even more than one muscle there, and he must be in some doubt for the test match coming up in Adelaide. Holder played pretty well, but the Pakistanis were well on top all the way through. There was just that little glitch there when that partnership produced those runs, 47 of them in all, and then Pakistan's bowlers came back again. Wasim Akram 3 for 17. He's got a muscle problem, but he doesn't have a test match coming up. Waqar Younis 2 for 17. Shahid Nazir, very, very impressive once again. He's going to be good. 10 overs, 3 maidens, 3 for 14. Shakleen Mushtaq 1 for 26, came in at the right time with a wicket, and Shahid Afridi 1 for 21 in 7 overs and no maidens. Well, at the presentation, Wasim Akram, the Pakistan skipper, received the trophy for winning the Carlton United Series, this best of 3 finals, and also collected $100,000, and that'll be shared amongst the team, and will be very, very well received in Pakistan. Shahid Afridi was the man of the finals. He picked up $2,000 for that.